Here's how to get a discount on TurboTax. Full transparency, you can just click the affiliate link in the description and get 20% off your TurboTax filing if you have to pay anything, and it helps support this channel. But I'll show you some other ways that maybe I can save you some money. First off, you want to see what you're actually paying. So in the upper right, you're going to see price preview, and it'll show you the product that you're on and how much it's going to cost you. So you've got right here, I'm on TurboTax, this do-it-yourself deluxe plan. It's going to cost about 40 bucks. And then state's going to cost something as well since I'm on that plan. And so you're going to see all that pricing right here. Well, you may not actually be using that plan completely. You may not even need that plan. So what I like to do is start my return completely free of any plan. And if I run into any tax situation where I do have to upgrade, I upgrade only to the next smallest, cheapest thing, right? So to do that, there's a couple different ways. Number one, if you're already on this deluxe or premium plan, then in the lower left, I'm going to go ahead and exit that. The lower left, you're going to see switch products. Inside here, you're going to see upgrade and downgrade. Now, if you don't see downgrade, you might not be on one of the do-it-yourself plans. We'll talk about that in a second. But if you do see downgrade, you can literally hit downgrade and downgrade back to free edition. It's going to warn you about what you're going to lose out on. That's okay, especially if you haven't even started really into your return yet. And you can just downgrade to free. There's some situations where you do need to upgrade, like if you have self-employed income, Schedule C, you're gonna have to pay a little bit to file your taxes, but that's normal. So that's one way to downgrade. Now, if you are on these expert assisted modes, they don't let you downgrade to the free edition from there. So what you'll have to do is just click this clear and start over button, which means what it says. It's going to clear your return completely and all your tax data that you've input. But real quick, if you are kind of worried about clearing all the data that you've put in, there is this section tax tools. And then inside of tax tools, there's the print center. I'm going to check out tools really quick just to make sure. You've got view tax summary. I don't think that's going to be there. Save your 2025 return to your computer. Might be one that you can utilize, or the print center I know will pop up and show this print window. It might not because I don't have anything filled in, but you can print or save or preview at worst this year's return. So you can see the return, all the information. So you could copy that or save it as a PDF, anything like that, and keep all the information that you've input so far so that you can kind of go back and see what you put in. That's probably the best I can do as far as keeping that information. But if you do clear and start over, or if you're just starting over in general, we're going to clear our tax data and start over completely. And basically, to start for free, what you want to do is kind of skip this screen and then really skip this next one. Don't check mark any of these boxes, hit continue, and say you're comfortable doing your own taxes, that you don't need an expert help. And so we hit continue. Again, it's still going to take you through step by step your taxes, but it will let you start on this basic $0 do-it-yourself free edition. About 37% of taxpayers qualify, they say. So it's a simple return, but as soon as you have something that requires an upgrade, TurboTax will let you know, hey, you need to upgrade, and you can just pick the next cheapest option. So that's the best way to start for free, and then start filling things out for what you did for your situation, like did you file your own taxes last year, etc. And then kind of go through and fill out your return. And then, like I said, that link in the description will get you 20% off of anything you do have to pay. And so that's another discount on top of starting for free and then only picking the cheapest option as you continue to upgrade or continue through your tax return. I hope this video saved you some dollars on your tax filing this year. I appreciate your support, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.